Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus multiplication, division and addition. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out which answer is correct. We have here four answers. A is 1, B is 30, C is 52 and D is 50. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's move towards to understand what is the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. Basically, these are the rules to solve any arithmetic expression, and these are the rules apply in different regions. So the rule says B stands for bracket. It means that if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After that, you have to go and see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number has power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. After that, you have to see the multiplication and division. You have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. If multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication first. And if division is coming first, so you have to solve the division first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. We can solve subtraction first if it is coming first, and we can solve addition first if it is coming first. Now, move forward to solve the given expression. So here we will write this expression, this one. Now, we will see, we have four brackets here. So first we will solve each bracket in each step. So here 18 minus 4 equals to 14, and other parts we will write as it is. We will write this part as it is. And here we will give the reference. So first we will give the reference 18 minus 4 equals to 14. Now, move forward to solve the second bracket. So, here we have 14 multiplied by 6 divided by 3, which is equal to 2. And this part we will write as it is. So, here we will give the reference 6 divided by 3 equals to 2. Now, again, we have to move forward and solve the third bracket. So here we have third bracket 14 multiplied by 2 plus and 9 plus 3, which is equals to 12. And minus this part we will write as it is. And we can give the reference here 9 plus 3 equals to 12. Now move forward to solve this last bracket. So we will solve this part and we will get the answer is 10. Now we will solve, here we will give the reference 5 multiplied by 2 equals to 10. Again, we have to go, we do not have any bracket right now, and also we do not have any number which has the power. So now move forward, we will go left to right and find out the multiplication and division. So this part we contains multiplication. So first we will have to solve this part, and other things we will write as it is. So here we will give the 14 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 28. Sorry. And now we have do not have any multiplication and division, so we can go for subtraction and addition. So here we have first the addition first. So we will solve this part. 28 plus 12, which is equals to 40 minus 10. And in the end, we will give the reference here 28 plus 12 equals to 40. And in the end, when we will subtract both of them, so we get the answer is 30. So the answer of the given expression is 30. So if you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer. So I hope you understand how You can solve the given expression using palm dance and BODMAS method and get the correct result. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.